Okay, so first thing that we're going to do is, now that we've downloaded this zip file that contains our script, we're going to open that up. That's going to give us a folder. The folder contains a placeholder spreadsheet that we can change the values in. So we can take that spreadsheet, we can open it in edit-csv.net. There's our example values. We can add additional rows into here. So I can add another row, maybe add 2 rows here. And then I'll add a few more values in here. Maybe I'll call this one board 5. And then what I can do is I can download this file. It's going to download it to my downloads. I'll call this spreadsheet custom so that I can differentiate it from the previous spreadsheet CSV file. I can now close this. I can go to Illustrator and I'll go to File, Scripts, Other Script at the bottom here. And then I'll go into my folder that I downloaded and uncompressed. I'll go into the script and spreadsheet folder, and here I will select my script file. When I open it up, it will bring up this dialog box. We'll click on Browse CSV to find our CSV file. This is the one that comes with it. But if we go back, we're going to use our spreadsheet custom, the one that we added additional rows to, and we will open that up. You'll see it's now selected over here. And now we can choose how much spacing there is between the artboards. Maybe I'll change this to 15, and then we can change the units as well. So we can choose if we want our spreadsheet to be in, our artboards to be in pixels or millimeters or centimeters or inches. I'm going to choose pixels and I'll just click generate. And it will say artboards created successfully. When you press OK and you zoom out, you'll see that it's created all of those artboards. And if we hit Shift O, we can see that it's retained the names from the CSV file, and it's also generated them based on the sizes that we wrote out in that CSV file as well. Now at the top here, you'll see that on mine, under scripts, I have this script here in the drop-down menu. If you want yours to be in this drop-down menu, you just need to drop the CSV, create artboards from CSV JSX file into the scripts folder for Illustrator. And there's an image that shows you how to do this that I've provided. So if you go over here, you'll see image 3 shows you exactly where you need to place that file. So that's Illustrator, presets, scripts, and then you'll place your file inside of the scripts folder here. And there's instructions as well if you want to refer back to those. So if you open this up, it'll give you instructions on how to use this script as well. Now, the one last thing that I just want to mention is that with this CSV file, if you're on a Mac, don't try and open it in Numbers, the application. Rather use Google Sheets if you're familiar with that, or as I did in the tutorial, you can use edit-csv.net, because if you use Numbers, it's going to change the formatting of the CSV file and it will no longer be compatible with the script. So just bear that in mind.